In this video, we will look at how to set up Login with Amazon and generate your credentials. To begin, navigate to the Amazon Developer Portal and click on Console in the top right corner. From the top navigation menu, open Tools and Services, and select Login with Amazon. On the Login with Amazon overview page, click on Developer Console. Next, click on Create a new security profile to begin configuring your application. Enter your security profile name, followed by a brief security profile description. In the Consent Privacy Notice URL field, enter your privacy policy link. Click Upload Image to choose your application logo. Select your image file, and click Open. Once your logo is uploaded, click Save. Your security profile is now successfully created. Under the Manage column on the right, click the gear icon and select Web Settings. Click the Edit button at the bottom right. In the Allowed Origins field, enter your website domain. Next, in the Allowed Return URLs field, enter your authorized redirect link. Once entered, click Save to apply the settings. You can now view and copy your client ID. Click on Show Secret to reveal and copy your client secret. You can now use these credentials to integrate Login with Amazon into your application. Thank you for watching.